everyone, you're going to be getting a fish windsock shape, and it's made out of this paper, and you can see it's a pretty big paper, and there's two sides, but when this fish comes together, when we fold it in half, we put it together and it becomes a windsock. But today you're going to be focused on decorating your fish windsock. And the reason why we're doing this is there is a holiday that is celebrated in May. And we do celebrate it in the United States, but it's in a different month. But in Japan, they celebrate it in May, the first weekend in May. And it's to celebrate children. It is called Children's Day. And it is very common to see fish windsocks hanging in the air. So families hang out a fish windsock for how many children they have in their family. So this is what it's going to look like, and you're going to get markers, and you can decorate this windsock with colors of your choice. Of course, we're not going to use brown or black. We want to keep this nice and bright. And I'm going to show you one that I've already completed. Well, almost completed. It's going to stay on this yellow paper. On the yellow paper, you're going to write your name, because after we decorate it with marker, I'm going to be spraying it with water. So let me get you the fish that I have started, and this is what mine looks like so far. Now I haven't finished the tail area because I'm going to show you how to color with the marker, but I have used colors that I know when this gets sprayed with water, because that's what I'm going to do afterwards. When I know these colors mixed together, I know they're going to make a nice color. So I didn't want to put two colors next to each other that I knew would probably make something brownish. Alright, so let's talk about how do we color this. I'm going to move my fish so you can see his tail. But you can see they have these little things, the scales of the fish, and they can make coloring a little tricky. So I'm going to go ahead with using my yellow, and I'm going to put it next to the red because I know yellow and red, when they mix together, they make, yep, orange. So I am coloring, and I'm going to color up and down, but when I see one of these, I might have to hold it with my finger because it will kind of get scrunched up if I don't. So I'm just coloring, getting the yellow marker down, and it does not touch the red. And you can see I've even missed a few spots, but that's okay. So I'm going to keep going and holding those fish scales down when I get near that. Alright, oops, see what happens? Alright, so my next color, I'm going to cap this. My next color is going to be green. I think I'm going to use green. So, and I know yellow and green, when they mix together, it's just going to make a lighter green. Now I've just chosen to do stripes of color because I think that will probably be easiest, but if you have another idea, you go for it. Alright, and then I'm going to use blue because blue and green make a little bit different shade of green. And I would go and I would finish this all the way to the end until I've completed the tail. When yours is complete, you're going to leave it on your paper, and I'm going to come by and spray it with water. Have fun!